Hi, today we are going to review this beautiful currency. This currency is from the country Peru. Let's review it up.
This beautiful orange currency of the year 1976 was issued by the Banco Central de Reserva del Peru, also known as the Peruvian Central Bank, which was established in the year 1922. The currency here is the Peruvian sol, which is subdivided into 100 centimos. The language on this currency is Spanish. Talking about the country Peru, Peru is a country in South America that homes to a section of Amazonian rainforest and Machu Picchu, an ancient Inca city high in the Andes mountain. It was the last pre-Columbian civilization that conserved its independent state during the conquest of America. The capital of Peru is Lima. The Peruvian Central Bank issued this 10 sols banknote with 10 different denominations. They are a part of a demonetized Peruvian sols de oro banknote series. The Peruvian Central Bank started issuing these 10 Peruvian sols banknote in the year 1968. They were later withdrawn from circulation in the year 1985. On the obverse is the portrait of Inca Vega Gracioso, also known as El Inca, who was a famous historian and a writer. He was the first Mestizo writer of Peru. Along with him is the image of Jesus Christ on the cross. A little bit to the left of the bill, we can see the colonial house of El Inca, located in Cusco City, which is currently the Regional Historical Museum of Cusco. Also in the center is the coat of arms of Peru, flagged by laurel and olive branches. The backside of this bill features Lake Titicaca. Lake Titicaca is one of the biggest lakes in South America, which makes the natural border with the countries of Peru and Bolivia. The Lake Titicaca is the highest navigable lake in the world. Also in this image, we can see the ancient Peruvian sailing reed boats. The watermark of this currency is not noticeable. Under the ultraviolet light, we can see a vertical line getting highlighted and is running a little bit away from the center of the banknote. This beautiful currency is printed by the famous printer of London, Thomas de la Rue. Thank you for watching this video.